Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMB Rudraksh Science Classes. Today I will discuss with you other important MCQs related to the chapter photosynthesis, which are very helpful for the students of plus 1, NEET, TGT, TET, PGT, LTs. So, my first question, manganese, calcium and dash ions play prominent roles in the photolysis of water. Means with manganese, calcium, which type of ions play the roles in the splitting of water? Given options, potassium, nitrate, chloride, nitrites. So its right option is option C, that is chloride ions play the very important role in the photolysis of water. Option C is correct. Now question number second, the rate of photosynthesis. The rate of photosynthesis in all plants increases with increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide up to dash ppm. ppm means parts per million when other factors are not limiting. When other factors are not limiting, then the concentration of carbon dioxide increases the rate of photosynthesis. Options A 500, B 400, C 300 and D 200. This right option is option A 500 parts per million. Now question number 3, light energy in photosynthesis is utilized in. So we know that photosynthesis is a physiochemical process in which light energy convert into chemical energy. So its options A water converted into hydrogen, ADP converted into ATP, ATP converted into ADP and none of the above. So we know that in photosynthesis light energy is converted into chemical energy, means energy stored. So energy stored in the energy currency, that is ATP. So its option D is cancelled, A is cancelled and C also cancelled because ATP converted into ADP. Not. This correct option is option number B, that is adenosine diphosphate converted into adenosine triphosphate. During the photosynthesis, light energy is utilized in ADP into ATP. Now the option number 4, question number 4, which statement describes the functioning of photosystem 2? So given statements, which statement is describe the functioning of photosystem 2? So first option, the P680 chlorophyll donates a pair of proton to NADPH, which is thus converted into NADP+. Second option, light energy excites electron in the electron transport chain in a photosynthetic unit. Then the excitation is passed along to molecules of P700 chlorophyll in the photosynthetic unit. And option number D, the electron vacancies in P680 are filled by electrons derived from water. So you know that during the photosynthesis, in a light reaction, not NADP is converted into NADP. Its option is wrong, and this PS2 system is belongs to P700. Not this option number C is incorrect, and the option number B, light energy excites the electron in ETC in the photosynthetic units. No, light energy excites the electron in PS1 and PS2 systems. So its option number D is correct. The electrons vacancies in P680 are filled by electrons derived from water. We know that photolysis of water is occur in the PS2 system and it fills the vacancies which are created in the photosystem 2. So its option D is correct. Now the question number 5th. In question number 5th, for every carbon fixation in photosynthesis, actual requirement of ATP and NADPH2 are. For one molecule of carbon dioxide, how many ATP and NADPH2 are used in a Kelvin cycle? So in a Kelvin cycle, 2 molecule of ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH2 used during the carbon fixation for 2 molecule of 3 PGA, and 1 molecule of ATP is used in the regeneration step. So means total 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2 are used for 1 carbon dioxide fixation, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide fixation. So its right option is option number first A, 3 ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH2 are used in the carbon fixation during the photosynthesis. So the next question, question number 6. Select the wrongly matched pair with regard to C4 cycle. So you know about the C4 cycle. In C4 cycle, which occurs in the maize plant, in sugarcane, etc. And its primary acceptor is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, and its primary product is 4-carbon compound oxaloacetic acid, and it occurs in 2 cells, mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. So here given options which is wrongly matched pair. First option is primary carbon dioxide fixation is PGA product. Second, site of initial carboxylation is mesophyll cells. Third, primary carbon dioxide acceptor PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. And fourth, C4 plant, example is maize. So option number D correct, C correct, A correct, but option number B correct, but option number A is wrongly matched because first primary product of carbon dioxide fixation during the C4 cycle, in C4 cycle, is oxaloacetic acid, not phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid is the first product formed in the C3 cycle. So now my next question, question number 7. Question number 7. A typical chloroplast of higher plants is dash in shape. So chloroplast shape, option given, that is A, global, B, oval, C, discoid, and D is elliptical. So option number C is correct. Discoid shape. A typical chloroplast of higher plants is discoid in shape. Now next question, question number 8. How is photosynthesis similar in C4 and CAM plants? CAM means crustaceous acid metabolism plants. So these plants are cacti, desert plants. Options are given. How is photosynthesis similar in C4 and CAM plants? First one, in both cases only PS1 is used. Wrong. Both types of plants make sugar without the Calvin cycle. No, wrong. And option number C, in both cases, Rubisco is not used to fix the carbon initially. Think so. And option number D, both types of plant make most of their sugar in the dark. No, this option number C is correct. In both the cases, Rubisco is not used to fix carbon initially. तो initially हम जो है वो C4 and CAM plants में initially Rubisco is not used to fix the carbon during the cycle. So question number 9, cacti. This question is related to the CAM plants. So the cacti and many desert plants are dash plants. It's already discussed in question number 8. CAM plants are cacti and many desert plants which stomata closed in a daytime and open at a night. So its correct option is directly Option number C, that is the CAMPLAN. Now, question number 10, which is last question of this MCQ series. For the 6 molecules of carbon fixation in photosynthesis, actual requirement of ATP and NADPH2. So we already discussed about the ATP and NADPH2 molecules for one carbon molecule. For carbon dioxide, one molecule of carbon dioxide fixation, that is 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. So we multiply the 3 ATP with 6, that is equal to 6 3 is 18 ATP, and 6 with multiply 2 is 6 into 2 is 12 NADPH2. This correct option is for 6 molecules of carbon fixation, we need 18 molecules of ATP and 12 molecules of NADPH2. So option number D is correct about the requirement of ATP and NADPH2 for the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.